Hi, this is Peter Kwong, also known as Rain, from Big Trouble in Little China. Meet me at the Urban Action Showcase virtual Xperience, celebrating Big Trouble in Little China's 35th anniversary, where I will be available for personal messages and private chats from November 12th through the 20th. I will also join all of our Big Trouble fans for the Big Trouble 35th Anniversary Watch Party, where I'll be giving live commentary and sharing some of the secret insights and behind the scenes from the film. Hit the link to learn more about how you can be part of the action. See you there.